like most people, I was struggling and scratching my head with my 2004 Crown Victoria. I watched many videos, looked at articles, and I found out that it was one of three things. It could be the relay switch, or the starter. Yeah, starter solenoid, or the relay. I switched the relays around, no start. Click, right? You turn the key, one click. And then I tried tapping on the starter solenoid, right? Or on the starter with a long shafty object. That didn't work. And so the next thing I decided to do was not go to the junkyard and get a starter for like 30 bucks, but just go to AutoZone. AutoZone, because I am a card carrying member over there. So I got the starter. And since I think there were like 14 or 13 millimeter bolts on the bottom, I was not really able to get a good angle to get some leverage on it, right? So I took it to a local person with my starter that I had purchased, and they were able to put it on, and starting was good. So yeah, if you're getting to the point where you're trying to start your car and it's like, but it won't start, it's probably time to get you a starter or top on your old one. Actually, when I got the old starter from them so I could get my core charged, the starter was like rusted. So if it's rusted and you see some oxidation, I can't even talk. How do you say it? Oxidizing? Anyways, if you see that on your bolts and your electrical connections, that would probably be a dead giveaway. So I hope this helps. It was a starter situation for me. And if you have any questions on that, comment, like, subscribe.